probably when you going to share your story on Facebook, you can see here this kind of thing. When you share your story to Facebook, it's also share in the Instagram. So in this video I will show you how can you off the option to share your Facebook story when you post, that will not be shared in the Instagram. So in this video I will show the process how can do that. So for stopping the sharing post on the Instagram, you have to simply go here on Facebook. After come here on Facebook, you have to simply click here on the story. You can see here story option. You have to simply click here story, create story option, as you want to simply want to add a story. So from here you have to select which story you want to add. Simply I am selected one of them. After that you have to simply will see you here share in the two app or two website. You have to simply click here. You can see here offing the sharing in the Instagram. You have to simply click here the gear option, settings gear option. You have to simply click here, and then you have to simply click here privacy. After clicking here privacy, you have to scroll down, and then you can see here option share, always share to Instagram. You have to simply off it. After offing, you have to simply click here back option, right back option, head back option. After that you can see here this updated, and then you can see here the Instagram option have been gone. And if you share the video now, it will be share only the Facebook stories, it's not will be shared in the Instagram story. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.